Frustrated by the X3D Audio 16 DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. This DLL file is a legacy DirectX library that handles 3D spatial audio positioning. It allows developers to place sound sources in 3D space, creating immersive surround sound experiences in games released around 2008 and 2010. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The X3D Audio 16 DLL is part of the graphics or audio runtime used by many games. Installing the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime restores missing DirectX components, while the GPU driver update handles OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA-related files. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the X3D Audio 16 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. If you're attempting to install the X3D Audio 16 DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes the X3D Audio 16 related documentation. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got DirectX End-User Runtime working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.